Hey everybody, Richie here with TAIOS Tech Tip Tuesdays to make your life better with tech tips. Today I want to show you how you can generate free AI images on your computer if you have the latest version of Windows installed with Microsoft Paint. Let me show you how. So here we are, just opened up Microsoft Paint, brand new canvas, and you can see I created a very big canvas of 4090 here by 4090, big image. And all you have to do is come up here to co-creator and then type in your prompt. So let's say a cat on the moon with ice cream. And then you can click from 9 different styles. Let me choose, I don't know, digital art. And then you're gonna click create. You can see right next to create, you have some credits. Credits usually refresh every single week according to Microsoft. And as you use Microsoft Bing with Microsoft Edge browser, you'll see that they do get refreshed. So I'm going to click create and let this load, and with the power of editing and YouTube, I'll get back to you as soon as this is finished loading. Wow, look at what we got here. We got some cats on the moon, but I don't know if they have any ice cream. So let me click on, you can either save the image or you can give it feedback. Click on the image. Ooh, wow, look at that. Not bad. Let's see what we got here. Okay. And of course, it's in the style of digital art. You can have different styles to choose from and keep on doing it again. Well, you only have a certain amount of credits. So if you don't have the latest version of Windows, you can go to Microsoft Bing using the Edge browser and go to bing.com/images/create, and you should be able to generate images for free as soon as you just log in with an account or register with a Microsoft account. You get 15 credits for free, and your credits renew every single week. Also, if you wanted to edit these images, let me go back to Bing here. Let's say you wanted to remove a background. You can do that completely for free. So let me go ahead and create, open an image here. We downloaded one. Let's say this one. Goodbye, kitty cat. Big image here. And then we got this option on the top left, you see here, remove background. One click, a couple seconds, voila. You can remove images for free with Microsoft Paint. Tech tips, you don't need to go to the internet for that. Just use your computer and you're good to go. I have more tips coming up for you every single Tuesday, hopefully for the rest of the year. And yeah, I'm out. Tech Tip Tuesdays with TAIOS and Richie. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.